Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix can't connect to Wi-Fi laptop. Chapter 1. How to fix can't connect to Wi-Fi laptop resetting parameters. To start, enter CMD in the search box. Click Run as Administrator and click Yes. Now run the on-screen command to reset the IP address parameters. Press Enter. After this, reset WinSock, run net WinSock reset, press the Enter key. Finally, you are going to free the DNS cache. Run the command ipconfig/flush DNS. To apply these changes, you are going to reboot the system. When you enter again, check that you have a Wi-Fi connection. Chapter 2. How to fix can't connect to Wi-Fi laptop resetting the network adapter. To start, from Start, open Settings. Here in the Network and Internet section, click on Advanced Network Settings. After this, click on Network Reset and then click on Reset Now. You will confirm this operation. For this change to take effect, you must restart the operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now you can see if the networks are visible. Chapter 3. How to fix can't connect to Wi-Fi laptop reinstalling driver. To begin, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. After that, in Network Adapters, right-click on the Wi-Fi driver and choose Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. When it is complete, go to the Action menu and click on Scan for hardware changes. You can see that the network driver is automatically installed. Check that it works without error. Chapter 4. How to fix can't connect to Wi-Fi laptop changing DNS. To start, enter Network in the search box. Open View Network Connections. There, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. After this, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. Here, check the box. Use the following DNS server addresses and you will enter a public address. You can apply the changes and close the windows. Check that Wi-Fi works without errors. Chapter 5. How to fix can't connect to Wi-Fi laptop from troubleshoot. To start, enter troubleshoot in the search box. Click on troubleshoot other problems. In the configuration window in the networks and internet section, click run. In the wizard that opens, it is possible to find the cause of the error of not being able to connect. When the process is completed, validate that the network works. Chapter 6. How to fix can't connect to Wi-Fi laptop updating driver. To start, right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Now in Network Adapters, right-click on the Wi-Fi driver and select Update Driver. You are going to click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the search to be done. You are going to verify that the connection is possible. Chapter 7. How to fix can't connect to Wi-Fi laptop reactivating the adapter. To start, enter network in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. There, select the Wi-Fi network adapter. Click on Disable this network device. Wait for it to be disabled. After a moment, click Enable this network device. Wait a moment for it to activate. When finished, check that you can connect. Chapter 8. How to fix can't connect to Wi-Fi laptop from terminal. To start, open the Command Prompt console as administrator from Start. Here, release the address with the command ipconfig/release. After this, activate the IP address with the command ipconfig/renew. It only remains to see that the Wi-Fi networks are available. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.